Hi YouTube, this is King Buick. I'm here to show you my new temporary Marklin layout. As you can see, there's one big loop with a small siding. Right now my E03001 model by Marklin is on, with consists of TEE and Rheingold passenger cars. There's a smaller, bigger loop with the four-way junction right there. And on the smaller, bigger loop is my BR218 with Swiss cars. I know it doesn't match, but I decided to do something like that. And then there's a small loop here, which would put a third locomotive, and I did not, unfortunately, put one on right now. But anyway, that's it, and if I change my layout again, I'll post a bulletin on my YouTube channel saying that I did. Yep, so this is my new Marklin layout, C-track.